my lovely Totta kids! Today we will learn different vocabulary words that start with letter J. J. The sound of J is ja. Let's start. J for jar. J for jacket. J for jaw. J for jeans. J for joy. J for June. J for jump. J for Jupiter. J for July. J for Junior. J for Joker. J for jail. J for jackfruit. J for January. J for jewelry. J for jay. J for jeep. J for jalapeno. J for jellyfish. J for jaguar. J for jam. J for jelly. J for jet. J for juice. J for jumbo lamb. J for jungle. Hope you will like and enjoy this video. Bye bye.